Today's recipe Ramadan special, meat keema aloo chop. Beef keema 500 gram. Oil, a half cup. Onion 1 cup. Stir and fry few seconds. Salt to taste. Stir. Ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each. Stir and fry. Turmeric powder, a half teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Shah garam masala 1 teaspoon. Chopped chili, 1 tablespoon. Stir. Water. Sauté 2 minutes. Add beef keema. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir. Add boiled potato 5 large. Mix well. Add coriander leaf. Mix. Done. Transfer to the plate. Let it cool. Mix again with hand. Take amount of keema potato mixture. Make a shape how you like it. I did round shape. Done. Can be frozen up to month. I made 40 of them for Ramadan. Garam flour mixture. Keema potato chop. Deep with garam flour mixture. Shake excess. Deep fry. Flip carefully. Fry until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.